guys, we have an unboxing, but this is a special box. This is coming from Megalith Records. This nice guy from their label said, you know what, I'm going to ship some stuff out to you. And I was like, okay. This shockingly came fast for a media mail. Literally came here in like a matter of like 2 or 3 days. So I'm shocked. Probably because it's so heavy. It's, as you can see, 6 pounds heavy. So I don't know what's in this box, but we're gonna find out. I think we're gonna have to go from the bottom because there's no way I can cut through that front label. Okay, let me pause to get this done. Alrighty, I got my box shutter. We're going in from the bottom. Alrighty. Oh, sides. I'm like freaking out because I don't know what's in here. And, I bet you it's gonna be a bunch of good stuff. I wanna shout the dude out. He didn't give me his name, but, this is a shout out to Megalith Records. Sorry for the bad camera angle. It's very hard to get this open one-handed. Oh man, there we go. Okay, come on. Holy crap, that's more than I thought. That's a lot of albums. Okay. Oh man. Let me pause to get this all out of the box. When he said a few albums, I thought it was gonna be like a small box. But no, this thing is like a legit, like, full-blown, like, a lot of albums. Oh, okay. Some of these I think I'm gonna keep sealed. Just for the heck of it, I'm gonna keep them sealed. So here's what it says. Hey buddy, here's a selection of CDs from Megalith that we, as well as a few others. Hope you find something you really love. Feel free to share with your friends. Let me know what you think. P.S. I might be moving to the big in the next 5 years. Mahalo. Aloha. Thank you, dude. Gonna keep that in mind. And I'm gonna sort through this and we're gonna figure this out right now. I went through everything and I decided I'm going to keep most of these sealed except for the last ones at the end. So, let's get to it. I'll show you them. Victor Rice in America. So yeah, that's going to be kept sealed for now. Thank you, by the way, to, I believe your name is Jeremy. Thank you, sir, for all of that stuff. The Void Union. Los, I can't say that. I'm not really into Mexican music, even if it's like ska. So, probably share that with somebody else. Give it to one of my friends. Carlos Dingo, it presents ska as dangerous. The ska album. Satellites. Westbound train searching for Melody. By the way, some of these got damaged. I'm assuming in transit. So, yeah, look at that. Like that. Another one, I'm not going to even try and say that. Keystone Soze, The Remedy. Thanks, man. Again, thanks, man, to Mega, how do you say it? Megalith Records. I keep wanting to say Megadeth Records for some reason. Rice Rockets. So yes, yeah. Unfortunately, some of these get damaged in transit. Have like pieces loose. So yeah. Baby Love and the Vandangos. Red 5-point star, worst case scenario. Bigger Thomas, we wear the mask. The big, whatever makes you happy. Some of these spines are harder to read because it's that seam tape thing. Blaster Master, two-tone bastards. The story of the Blaster Master. The Pepper Pots, train to your lover. The Scorcher's stunning. I was watching Shaun of the Dead, and then this like kind of threw off my schedule, but it's fine. 2.5 white guys. I don't know what it's called. Some of these are actually also really dusty as well. Nothing you can do though. Kingston Kitchen. But yeah, I'm more impressed in the way that it shipped really fast. So, Paranoia All-Star Scout Orchestra. Again, another Blaster Master. Pardon the phone ringing. I'm gonna pause actually. Sorry about that. I don't know, it's for my grandma. The Void Union. St. Petersburg Ska Jazz Review. Club HF Steaks Chops Music. It says the clubs of hopes and fears. There's like a big gash in here. I don't know if that's how it was when it was here. Pretty sure it was how it was when it got to him. But unfortunately, some of these have busted corners, but it's fine. The Obsessions, the new heavyweight champion. Another Rude Boy, another Blaster Master. And the Dropsters. This is the last one before I start opening stuff. So, alrighty. Two-tone Lizard King's Primeval Itch. I gave this a listen, and this sounds really good, so I'm going to open this up so I can listen to it immediately. The other ones I'm going to keep sealed for now, and I'll listen to them. I'll debate about opening them later. I'm the type of person who likes to keep things sealed until I really want to listen to them. So, yeah, I'm going to crack her open. It sounds like the spindle part broke off, but, I mean, not spindle, but you know what I mean. The part that holds the disc sounds like that broke off. It's not a big of a deal for CDs than it is DVDs because it won't like rattle all over the case. So yeah, here we go. Yep. Speak of the devil, broken pieces. Oh yeah, Fisher ratio. If you're watching, if you want rips of these, let me know. Not Fisher ratio. VHS or CD Brownie. Sorry, I'm not custom to your old channel name, but yeah, here you go. Disc. I'm gonna replace the spindle for that with another case, and probably what I'm gonna sell. If you don't know, I always mention it, but I always swap cases, and I usually give. Sorry to say, but I give the broken cases when I sell something. Just letting you know ahead of time. This is cool. The toasters. Not non. I don't know what that says. Oh, the toasters. Don't let the bastards grind you down. This originally came from Tower Records back in the day. The seal is slightly broken, but there goes the mail truck again. Front, spine, other spine, back. Ooh, come on. That's one of those books. It folds out. And then on the other side, there you go. There you go. Plastic stuff. It's toasters. I have to keep this. Disc. When is this from? 97. Mile 21. I heard this one. This was also really good. This is more my speed. I'm more into the more like punchier ska punk stuff. So I heard this and I was like, yes, I must listen to this. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll leave a link to Megalith Records web store for you guys, so you guys can do that. Check them out. We got one more CD to show and then we're done for this video. And this one is awesome. This is more my speed artists I know. More mainstream artists. This is like Voodoo Ghost Skulls Against All Authority, Street Life Manifesto, Big D and the Kids Table, Mustard Plug, MET30, Fishbone, Scott is Dead. Gonna have to get this spin myself. So yeah, I wasn't expecting this many CDs. There's like a few. I was like, oh, wait a minute. And I was like, why does this weigh so much? Thank you, by the way, again. I can't help but say thank you so many times for this. Come on, sucker. I'm gonna play this on my. I love playing CDs on my Laserdisc player, so I'm probably gonna. Especially spin. This is like one of those I'm gonna spin up like ASAP. I'm not really. I really hate these. What are they called? Security stickers. They're a pain in the butt. Let me pause to get it off. Alrighty, here it is. Front spine, other spine, back. Oh, this is from Asian Man Records. Cool. Okay. Sick. Here's like their little catalog. Here's what they had available. Alkaline Trio, Big D and the Kids Table. What else can I name for you that I know? MU330. The Queers. Screeching Weasel. Matt Skiba's album. Toasters. And here's some more releases, and here are the compilations. There's some DVDs too. I love to get DVDs. That's like my bread and butter. When did this come out? When is this from? Does it say? No, it doesn't. Some T-shirts that were available. This is back when you mailed in for stuff. Back in those days. Ooh. Oh, wrong way. Oh, and this way is a picture. On the back, it's a little write-up. There you go. I'm excited to spin the Ska's Dead CD up. This is the one I'm most excited to spin up on all these discs. Excuse me. Back. There you go. And that's all for this video. I'll have to see you guys next time. Before I forget, I gotta put that Asian Man Records promo back in. I'll have to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.